Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello kids, good morning. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. And you? I hope all of you fine too. Today we are going to learn about the phonic sound. But before that, let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Now, let's review about the phonic sound of letter A until letter U.
A is for apple, apple.
B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat.
D is for duck, duck. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for grapes, grapes. H is for house, house. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for juice, juice. K is for kites, kites. L is for lamb, lamb. M is for mask, mask. N is for net, net. O is for orange, orange. P is for pineapple, pineapple. Q is for queen, queen. R, rainbow. S is for star, star. T is for tree, tree. U is for umbrella, umbrella.
Alright, thank you. Now, I want to show you a new letter. Who knows what letter is this? Yes, good job. This is the letter V. What letter is this? V. V is for vase. Vase. 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 One more time. V, vase. V, vase. V is for violin and also for van. Good job. Now, I want to show you how to write the letter V. This is the worksheet of letter V. You have to write down your name here and the date also here, okay? Now, let's see me how to write the letter V. You have to write down this line, okay, and up. Write down the straight line and up. Okay, write down the straight line and up. Okay, this is the letter V. Vase. Okay, vase. Vase. Okay, like this. Okay, one more time. Vase. And the last time. Vase. Okay. Now, I want to coloring this vase. Okay. Use the watercolor here. There are a blue, yellow, red, and dark blue. Okay. Let's use paintbrush. For the first, I choose the yellow color here. You have to carefully when you coloring this vase. Okay. Add. And okay. First, I coloring yellow color first. With your favorite color. Coloring this space properly. Okay. One. Okay. So mix this color. Yeah, red color here. When I mix and the red color, and I want to give the blue color here. Okay. 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 The worksheet for letter V has finished. Okay. Okay. You can do this at home by yourself. But if you find some difficult, you can ask to your mother or your dad. Okay? Okay. The lesson for today is finished. Now, let's say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See you next week.